Something that was very new to us was the suggested purchasing module. In our older system, we were doing all of our purchasing using paper. So you had your inventory on one piece and you had your sales on another piece, and you're trying to do the math in your head, and it was a laborious task to do on a daily basis. I love the suggested purchasing module because everything that you need, all the data that you need to make an informed decision is right there. You can get pretty much anything you want with a couple clicks. It comes up with a suggestion for you. The other thing that I really like about that particular module is if you ever are wondering how the system came up with a suggestion, it gives you that information. Just one click on the analysis tab and you can see how everything is calculated. If you have any further questions from there, you know where to dig. We found it very useful with the usage adjustment screen to be able to make those adjustments when you know that you have a one-time buy, a one-time purchase. You can go adjust that out, make a comment so that anyone in the future knows why you made that decision. And then with one click of the button, it recalculates what your suggestion should be. So we've been very happy with that.
Suggested purchasing system, it monitors the daily sales, so your individual buyers for each product line can come in daily, see what's needed to be ordered, and look at what their sales history and everything is so that they can make appropriate orders. So when you're actually in looking at an individual item, you can go to this purchase suggestion screen, and that'll give you a graph showing your sales and turns on the product. It'll tell you suggestions of what you need to order for that individual item, and then it will tell you what the suggestions are for other locations also, in case you need to transfer between locations instead of ordering direct from the vendor. The old system was almost DOS-based. It gave you a suggestion each day based on what we had preset parameters of minimum and maximum inventory levels, and so it would make a suggestion to that for you to create a PO and send to your vendor. Now we can look individually by location at all the different levels. We can look at whether we need to do transfers easier instead of the old system wasn't very user-friendly with that. And we can see potentially, like if we need to plan ahead for a bigger buy, the graphs and the additional information you get in the new system just helps you plan ahead better.
Suggestive purchasing really gave us that piece of the puzzle that we were missing. For us, it gave us the line of sight to be able to have better insight on our forecasting, safety stock, and our usage. Since implementing suggestive purchasing, we've been able to reduce our carrying costs by 21% and also reduce our back orders by 33%.